Welcome back to Winning Isn't Easy. Can I travel overseas and collect my ERISA disability benefits? Now, a common question we get is whether clients can travel outside the United States for leisure or to visit relatives while collecting ERISA disability benefits. The answer lies in the terms of your disability policy or plan. Some policies or plans will limit the amount of time you can be outside the country, specify what countries you can visit, and even restrict relocation to another country while receiving benefits. While courts have often ruled that international travel for family visits isn't inconsistent with disability, we strongly recommend reviewing your policy or plan before you make any long-term travel plans, and certainly before you decide to relocate abroad. So, what should you consider? Well, even if your policy allows travel, I think we need to think a step ahead. Policies will generally require that you get appropriate medical treatment for your disabling medical condition. So your doctors are going to need to complete attending physician statement forms, APS forms. Many foreign doctors are either unfamiliar with the forms, don't understand how to complete them, or fill them out in languages other than English. Disability carriers don't like that. Now, alternatively, policies or plans require that you get appropriate and or reasonable medical treatment consistent with the nature of your condition. So I find that some of the treatment that is being offered by clients who are traveling or trying to relocate abroad isn't consistent with the policy terms or the plan terms. It's not appropriate or reasonable, and it certainly may not even be appropriate or reasonable, consistent with the kind of treatment you got before you went on vacation or you relocated. So before you embark on long distance travel or relocation, I think you need to have your treating physician do updated APS forms so that those at least are submitted before you leave. You also should be identifying medical providers where you're going to make sure that they can provide appropriate treatment and that they are willing to complete the necessary attending physician statement forms. Otherwise, I have to tell clients you need to come back to the United States on regular intervals. If your records are written in a language other than English, we need to have them translated. We need to give them to your treating physician here in the United States. Give a really good interval history of what your symptoms and functionality are, including difficulties you've had traveling. And then ask your doctor to complete the APS forms here. That's a lot of money and a lot of work. But those are the kinds of things that you should be taking into consideration before you embark on international travel or relocation. Got it? Let's take a break.
Are you a professional with questions about your individual disability policy? You need the Disability Insurance Claim Survival Guide for Professionals. This book gives you a comprehensive understanding of your disability policy, with tips and to-dos that will assist you in submitting a winning disability application. This is one you don't want to miss. For the next 24 hours, we're giving away free copies of the Disability Insurance Claim Survival Guide for Professionals. Order yours today at disabilityclaimsforprofessionals.com.